Welcome back. In today's video, we're embarking on a mesmerizing adventure along the Amalfi Coast, a destination that's a true feast for the senses. From the cascading hillsides to the pristine beaches, the Amalfi Coast promises an unforgettable experience that combines natural beauty, rich history, and mouth-watering flavors. Whether you're an avid traveler or an armchair explorer, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming journeys. Are you ready to dive into the charm of Positano, the history of Amalfi, and the wonder of Ravello? Let's start our week-long adventure. Day 1. Exploring charming Positano. Wander through the narrow, cobbled streets lined with pastel-colored houses. Discover local artisan shops and boutiques. Indulge in Italian cuisine at a beachfront restaurant. Relax on the iconic Spiaggia Grande beach, overlooking the azure waters. Embark on a picturesque boat tour along the coast. Admire the dramatic limestone cliffs, and cruise through hidden sea caves and grottos. Dive into the crystal-clear waters for a refreshing swim, feeling the salty breeze against your skin. Enjoy a leisurely lunch on the boat, indulging in a spread of local delights. As the sun sets, head back to shore with a heart full of memories. Immerse yourself in the historic town of Amalfi. Marvel at the stunning Amalfi Cathedral, a masterpiece of Arab Norman architecture. Stroll through the bustling Piazza del Duomo, where vibrant markets come alive. Sample the region's delectable pastries and cakes at a traditional pasticceria. Learn about the town's maritime heritage at the Museum of Paper, showcasing its historical papermaking industry. Ascend to the charming hilltop town of Ravello. Wander through the enchanting Villa Simbrone Gardens, adorned with statues and breathtaking views. Reach the iconic Terrace of Infinity, offering panoramic vistas of the coast and sea. Experience a mesmerizing sunset, transforming the Amalfi Coast into a golden masterpiece. Savor an intimate dinner at a local restaurant nestled within Ravello's heart. Embark on an exhilarating hike along the renowned Path of the Gods. Traverse ancient trails while absorbing stunning vistas of the coastline and Capri Island. Indulge in a rustic picnic, savoring regional cheeses, cured meats, and sun-kissed fruits. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty of the Mediterranean landscape. Discover the authentic charm of Sorrento. Participate in a hands-on limoncello making workshop, uncovering the secrets of this zesty delight. Explore vibrant local markets, overflowing with fresh produce, crafts, and artisanal goods. Delight in the rich flavors of Italy with a scoop of authentic gelato in the town of Minori. Embrace tranquility on the secluded Arienzo beach. Bask in the sun, swim in the crystalline waters, and savor moments of serenity. Reflect on the captivating journey through the Amalfi Coast. Bid a fond farewell to this coastal paradise, carrying cherished memories with you. And there you have it, a week of enchantment exploring the picturesque Amalfi Coast. From cultural immersions to breathtaking vistas, each day brought its own unique magic. If you're as captivated by this stunning destination as we are, remember to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so for more inspiring travel content. Ready to craft your own Amalfi Coast escape? Check out the video description for essential travel insights, recommended accommodations, and more. For exclusive updates and glimpses behind the scenes, connect with us on social media. Thanks for joining us on this captivating journey.